Hello, my name is Alba Maria Martinez Sala, and I am a professor from the Department of Communication and Social Psychology of the University of Alicante. I am here to introduce to you the article titled The Influencer Tourist 2.0 From Anonymous Tourist to Opinion Leader, which appears in the Latina Journal of Social Communication number 74. This article has been written by myself and Professors Juan Matragauchi and Jesus Segara Saavedra, also from the University of Alicante. Hello. The development of social networks has led to the rise of a new figure that has become key in tourism communication strategies, the influencer tourist 2.0. Its growing importance and advantages require destinations marketing organizations, or DMO, to redesign their communication strategies. The development of social networks has led. In this regard, this research article aims to analyze the power and potential of Influencer Tourist 2.0 for DMO and to describe their integration into their respective tourism communication strategies. In this regard, this research article, the study is based on a descriptive method that combines a literature review with the analysis of the power of the main Influencer Tourist 2.0 in social networks in general and in Facebook in particular, based on the use of a transmedia map and the comparative analysis of their respective communities and online engagement levels. In addition, the analysis of Facebook includes the evaluation of the communicative and relational potential of Influencer Tourist 2.0 in relation to the representation of Spanish tourist destinations. To this end, quantitative content analysis is performed on the publications of Influencer Tourist 2.0 and the interaction they generate. The study is complemented with the analysis of opinions of the digital communication managers of the selected destinations. The results confirm the importance of Influencer Tourist 2.0, as well as their full integration in tourism communication strategies. In terms of general reach, the sample of tourism influencers analyzed are present in 3 to 6 social networks and in blogs, with the exception of a single influencer, 3 viajes. Among the social networks, Facebook and Twitter are the most frequently used by all the influencers analyzed, except for the aforementioned 3 viajes. In terms of the number of followers, together they have a total community of 2,101,956 people, to which we must add 2,843,900 visits that they have accumulated in their blogs. In relation to the communities the influencers have created on Facebook, the most outstanding are Guías Viajar and Viajeros Callejeros. With regards to online engagement, only Guías Viajar is leading the ranking of the most followed accounts. In this sense, it should be noted that there is no correlation between the number of followers and online engagement. However, the results do corroborate the desirability of integrating Influencer Tourist 2.0 into the communication strategies of DMO. In the communication and relational field, the results also confirm the importance of influencers. All the analyzed accounts contain publications about all the destinations included in the sample to a greater or lesser extent, and especially about Catalonia and Valencian community. Importantly, all these posts often exceed the average number of likes and comments generated through posts made by each of the influencers. The results confirm the importance of the study, therefore, confirms the desirability of integrating Influencer Tourist 2.0 into tourism communication strategies, and that their identification and selection is a complex task that requires the consideration of quantitative and qualitative variables. The study and its conclusions are a contribution to the limited theoretical body that exists about the importance of the influencer in the tourism sector. The results related to the reach and communicative and relational potential of Influencer Tourist 2.0 constitute an updated study that is essential for the identification and correct integration. Likewise, the methodological process constitutes a model for the selection of Influencer Tourist 2.0, which is of great interest to the academic fields and of great use to the responsible for tourist communication in Spain. The study therefore confirms. The full article is available in the website Latina Journal of Social Communication. You can send us an email to the addresses that appear on the cover of the article should you have any further information about the research work. Thanks a lot for your attention. The full article is available in